Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to book Flydubai ticket online. So guys, go to Google and search for Flydubai. As you can see here guys, search for Flydubai and then click this result, book a flight. After that guys, when you click this one, from here choose from to, for example, from Dubai to choose a destiny guys. For example, this choose the city and to this, for example, for Algeria or Alibaba or Addis Ababa, for example, and write your data to book tickets and choose any data from here, as you can see here. And from the passenger, choose the passenger online, so as adult or child or infants, choose this one, or for example, one or two passengers economy. After that guys, click on the search. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget, give like, give a share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question guys, down below in the comment and I will try answer your question.